Today we're diving into TurboTax, the go-to tax preparation software. TurboTax is designed to streamline the tax filing process for individuals and businesses alike. We'll explore its features, user experience, pricing structure, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's take a look at TurboTax's main features. Guided step-by-step process. TurboTax simplifies tax filing with its intuitive step-by-step guidance, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Form importing. Easily import W-2 and 1099 forms, saving time and reducing manual data entry errors. Deduction maximization. TurboTax maximizes deductions and credits, helping users get the most out of their tax return. Live expert support. Access live customer support from tax experts, offering assistance and clarification throughout the filing process. Versatility. TurboTax caters to both simple and complex tax situations, accommodating various income sources and deductions. Federal and state filing. File both federal and state taxes seamlessly within the same platform, streamlining the entire process. When it comes to pricing, TurboTax offers several plans tailored to different tax needs. The basic plan starts at $39.99 for simple tax returns, while there is also a self-employed plan starting at $119.99. This plan offers features specifically designed for freelancers and independent contractors. For those seeking additional support, TurboTax Live plans range from $79.99 to $199.99, providing access to live tax experts throughout the filing process. TurboTax delivers a seamless user experience with its intuitive interface, personalized guidance, and comprehensive support resources. Users can navigate through the tax filing process with ease, even if they have minimal tax knowledge or experience. TurboTax offers several advantages, including the aforementioned user-friendly interface, which simplifies the tax filing process for individuals and businesses alike. Additionally, it provides comprehensive guidance and support, ensuring accuracy and maximizing deductions for users. TurboTax's integration with other financial platforms, such as QuickBooks, enhances its functionality and convenience. However, it tends to be more expensive than some other tax filing software options, and its upselling tactics can be perceived as intrusive by users. While TurboTax is a top choice for many taxpayers, alternatives such as H&R Block, TaxAct, and TaxSlayer offer comparable features and pricing options. Depending on your tax needs and preferences, exploring these alternatives may provide additional value or cost savings. In summary, TurboTax stands out as a comprehensive and user-friendly tax preparation solution, offering a range of features and support options to meet various tax needs. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or individual filer, TurboTax simplifies the tax filing process and maximizes your potential refund. Don't wait to the last minute. Sign up for TurboTax today using the link in the description below, and be sure to subscribe to EasyInternet for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.